Hola beauties! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Morena Gal. Thank you so much for coming back. And today's video is going to be all about the mayo and egg and mayo mask that I always do that saves my life. It is my tried and true. If you want to figure out how I do it, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so depending on how much hair you have and the length and all that, it determines pretty much how many eggs you're going to use. But for me, I usually use about 3 eggs and 6 mayo packets. And I know, don't judge me, I know it's ratchet, but you know, it's free. Your girl got to get the best discount, you know. So you just need the bowl, crack the eggs. And I like to stir up the eggs before I add the mayo. And then when I add the mayo, it's just easier basically. Alright, you gotta get the edges, you gotta get it all and stir it up, stir it up. The consistency you're gonna get is kind of like a jelly, goopy type of thing. Alright, so as y'all can see, my hair is a mess. It is a dry mess. I was so sick and I just didn't do my hair and you know, it mats up and whatever. So when I take the mixture, I basically put it on the ends first. I feel like I didn't need it in my roots this time. But it's really good to put on your roots as well. But I just wanted to concentrate this on the ends. So yeah, so I just divide my hair up and do it section by section. If you try to do it all at once, I mean, if you had like a straighter hair texture or a wavy hair texture, it'd probably be easy for you. But you know, since my hair is like this, I have to divide it up. It just makes it easier so I get all the ends are coated. It's just the best way. I really hope y'all try out this mask though. Like if you have colored hair, curly hair, permed hair, it's just amazing. Like if you have colored hair and you know like how the color can fade fast, this will help with that. Because basically the mayo and the egg and mayo mask smooths your cuticles. So it basically seals in the color. If you have permed hair, it also smooths the cuticles. And usually when you have a perm, your cuticles are really damaged, which causes breakage. And I think we all know if you had permed hair before, the breakage is not a joke. But yeah, and then if you have like curly, coily hair like mine, oh my God. Our hair is so dry, but because the mayo is a humectant, it literally gives our hair life. It basically combats the dryness. And then like with the egg, I think we all know egg is a great source of protein, and that protein is much appreciated with our hair texture. Okie dokie, artichoke. I let it sit in my hair for 20 minutes. So now I just have to wash it out. It is a pain to wash out though. But once you wash it out, you feel the immediate difference with your hair. It feels so strong. See, yeah, I'm like, it's so strong. It feels amazing. But you do need to put in like, well, you don't have to, but I personally, after I shampoo it, I like putting in a nice like conditioner or another deep mask for the smell, because it does not leave your hair with a great smell. So this is needed. Oh my God, I'm putting in the background to my Sephora like little rewards VIB thing. Girl, I went ham later on that day in Sephora. But yeah, so I just rubbed that throughout my head and, you know, let that mask do what it do. And I wash it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's muy fácil. It's simple and easy. So yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Please go ahead and watch another one of my hair videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. And like this video if you like this video. Love you guys mucho. And I hope you guys are having a great day, a great night, whatever time it is. But yeah, love y'all. Bye.